Hi, I'm Brian McDowell, and I teach computer programming here at the LISD Tech Center. Let's take a look at some of the things we do in class. So in computer programming, we concentrate on the language Python and Java. On this scenario, there is a dog that has to clean up the board of all the yellow balls. So the student has to type the code, and the computer then follows through cleaning up the balls on the board. So it's a pretty in-depth look at the Python programming language. We also work on programming some Finch robots. This looks pretty simple, but it can actually get pretty in-depth. We can program it to change different lights, do different movements, add voice. It's a pretty technical thing. We work with Raspberry Pis, programming it to do specific things. And we also work with hummingbirds and SparkFun Inventor kits. So if you're interested in computer programming, please sign up at the LISD Tech Center. Thank you.